think you will not screw up your kids? The moment you think that, you are already, have already, done already, been there already. That is the giant, giant black hole where we parents fall in our egoic audacity to think we will not screw up our kids. It's called parenting because it's about you. So until you understand that, you will not only decimate their spirit, you will destroy your relationship with them and destroy your sense of equanimity. Because to think of your child as bad, to think of your child as the one with the problem, actually causes us great pain. If your ego was out of the way, it is so much easier to just work on yourself than to get your child to change. When you stop resisting who it is your child is, it becomes so much easier to build a relationship. There is no ego greater than the parental ego.